Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google's VO3 video generation for free in 2025. No paid AI plans are needed for it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So if you haven't tried it yet, Google actually offers a 30-day free trial. So it gives you 3 VO3 video generations per day, which is perfect for test it out without paying anything. Now you can create your Google Cloud account and you will get $300 credits absolutely for free. So within the Gemini's application, you can select the video option and pick VO3, which is fast or full model. Pro users usually see the 3 generations per day. So you can enter a descriptive prompt and hit the generate options in order to see both the video and the sounds together. So that's how you can use VO3 for free, either via the 30-day AI Pro trial, or you can also get $300 worth of cloud credit. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like. If you have any questions, you can just do let me know that in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more these types of tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.